Hi guys, welcome to my channel or our blog, My Life After Ray, my only daughter. Um, anyway, we have a gig today. Recommended kami ng isang friend namin. So, this is the venue. Maganda yung lugar niya. Nagtugtog na kami dito like couple of years. So, we're very familiar with this place. So, anyway, today is Sunday. Sunday yung ginawa nila from noon to late this afternoon. Anyway, ito yung place nila. Hindi pa naka-set up, I think. Wala pang decoration. But anyway, this is Potomac Shore. Ganda ng place dito. I love it. Actually, this is really cool. Look at the design. Ganda ng ginawa dito. Anyway, like I said, ito yung maganda nilang lugar. Anyway, this is 80th birthday. Actually, we don't know them. Hindi ko pa sila nakilala. But recommend lang a friend of us. Thank you so much, Shamin, yung mga Chinese kong friend, Filipino Chinese. So, sila yung mga family friends namin actually. By the way, naiwan ko yung mic ko. It's so sad. Naka-charge and then I forgot. Totally forgot. Ang bad ko talaga. Talagang ganyan. Matanda na. Lahat, walang perfect talaga. Lahat nakakalimutan, nakakainis. Pero what can we do, right? Ganun talaga yung buhay. So anyway, ito, ganda-ganda ng place. I love it. Lahat yan, maganda kahit saan tingnan. Ganda talaga pag ang lugar talagang may price, may presyo. Anyway, ito taas na. Look at that. Okay guys, i-vlog muna natin video muna natin itong place bago dumating yung ating mga yung magpo-party. Anyway, ang ganda talaga niya. Ganda siya. May kitchen dito. I think kasama ito doon sa pag-party nila. Ito pala yung pinaka-kitchen nila. I like it. Maganda. Ganda-ganda. So, ayan siya. Look at the ceiling. Oh, diba? Very, very nice siya. Okay. Like I said, today is Sunday. At 11 o'clock in the morning. Ang party start not until 12 o'clock. Today until 6 o'clock. So, maaga kami makakatapos. And hopefully, kung matapos kami ng early, we have another engagement, another party after this. Kaya hopefully makaabot kami. Ngayon nagsiset up na sila. Start pa lang mag-set up kasi may oras itong party room na to. So ayan, usually ang asawa na siya lang gumagawa na. That's his job. Okay, this is the venue. Ganda ng ng neighborhood nila by the shore. Kaya nga Potomac Shore kasi by the water siya. This is the parking. Ito yung parkingan nila. And this is the venue. Malaki siya. Ganda niya ayan. Okay. Look at that. Pwede sila ditong outdoor activities like cook out, I think. So, may movie night pa sila. That's very cool. So, this is the venue. Maganda ang place. And I'll see the neighborhood. Ayan ang neighborhood nila. It's very, you know, by the water siya. Look at that. I-zoom natin konti. Yan. Yeah, by the water, which is the Potomac River. Okay, I think dito sila pwede mag-cook out. Actually, dito kami yung settlement namin nung last house namin na binili namin. Kasi Ryan, ano yun, builder. So, dito kami nag-settlement. So, I'm very familiar with this place. Kasi, I remember yung last namin bumili kami ng bahay. Yung, dito kami nag-settlement kasi sa builder, dito yung kanilang office. So, this is the fitness. Ayan siya. And ito yung kanilang, wow, ang ganda naman. Ayan, ito yung makikita mo dito sa kanilang oh, that's the pool. Yan yung mga swimming pool. At ito yung labas ng venue, so pwede kayong mag-hang out outside if you want your quiet place. Anyway, may mga nagtutour dito sa place nila. Syempre yung siguro yung mga bago dito. Anyway, ayan yung, ano kaya ito? Community garden. Oh wow, that's so cute. Community garden siya. Nakakatawa, diba? May sarili silang garden dito sa community nila. Ang ganda naman. Very, very, very neat. Ayan. That's the fitness club. And this is the community, the venue, community room. Yan siya. And ito yung I don't know what is this. So ito yung, oh my god, pwede kang magtanim. Yung community pwede silang mag-plant mga flowers. Ito yung ano nila, kung gusto nila siguro mag-share ng gusto mong i-plant like mga flowers. May vegetable din yun actually. Anyway, okay, very nice community, very quiet. May sarili na silang school dito, may sarili na silang kung ano-ano dito. Magandang amenities dito. It's a big community. Yung sa amin kasi is a very small community, pero ang kagandahan lang sa amin is closer sa lahat. Syempre ito, gusto nila yung mga private places, gusto nila yung hindi masyadong matao. At least dito very quiet, and kagandahan lang, they have their own school, public school din actually, hanggang high school probably. So not 100% sure, but I think yeah. Ito yung kanilang swimming pool ng mga residente. Ang ganda niya. Yan ang swimming pool ng mga residente. Huwag tayong lalapit kasi baka magalit yung mga tao. Syempre privacy nila yan. Anyway, kahit papano nakakatuwa din kasi ang anak ko, kahit papano lumaki din siya sa ganitong community. Kahit papano nagawa naman namin ng paraan para medyo umangat kami ng konti sa buhay, para lang ma-experience ng anak ko yung buhay na hindi naman masyadong yung hindi ka, kung yung kampante ka medyo. Anyway, wala namang place na safe. There's no place na safe talaga. But syempre lahat ng lugar, kung sabi nga nila, lahat ng gubat ay may ahas. So I don't wanna say na porque medyo maganda yung lugar mo, medyo pricey, yun lang ang safe. I don't think so. I don't believe that. But the good thing is yung mga bata, yung environment nila is of course mas maganda. Hindi masyadong although stressful pa rin kasi especially pag iisa lang anak mo, very stressful sa bata yung kasi nakakulong sila, wala silang freedom. Although may freedom sila, what I'm trying to say is hindi nila na-experience yung buhay na katulad natin sa Pilipinas. We mingle, we have so many friends and families, not like here, very private ang buhay mo, kahit dikit-dikit din kayo ng tirahan, hindi naman kayo pwedeng mangapit bahay just like that, you know. Kaya for me, I think mas maganda pa rin ang buhay ng sa sarili mong lupa. Itong mga dito, syempre sanay sila, this is their culture, this is their way of living. Kami sa edad namin na nakarating kami dito na we grow up in Philippines, syempre iba. Syempre we cannot compare our life when we were still in the Philippines. Syempre kung ano yung nakasanayan mo, yun din ang gusto mong buhay. Anyway, dito tayo. Siguro dito tayo mag-hang out mamaya. Habang nagtutugtog yung asawa ko. Nagsiset up siya. Yung mga tao nagsiset up. Kaya alis muna tayo doon. Magulo ako doon. Wala naman akong pakinabang doon. Ang husband ko may sarili siyang mundo pag nagsiset up siya. He doesn't need my help. Yung kanya may mayroon siyang sariling mundo, like I said. Anyway, dito muna tayo sa barn. Ito yung parang siguro nagko-cook out sila dito, I don't know. Anyway, mas quiet dito. Like I said, trabaho muna kami hanggang 6 o'clock itong party, so hopefully we still have time to go to my other party. Anyway, yung mga ine-edit ko ngayon, kasi last na trying to edit is yung birthday ng husband ko, which is medyo mahaba yung mga videos ko kasi nasa concert kami. So actually natapos ko na ang problema, na copyright ako, so I have to redo it again. Hindi ko pa naman siya pinpublic, so ako pa lang nakakakita, but I have to redo it again, like I said, kasi copyrighted nga. So dito muna, nainis na ako kasi napuyat na ako kagabi, tapos balik ako sa, back to zero ako kasi yung copyright nga. Kasi I'm trying na i-turn down ko lang, hindi ko i-mute yung music while I was doing the voiceover, but the thing is, hindi pala pwede, talagang kailangan no music at all. So yun na lang i-change ko siya ulit to make sure na hindi ako ulit ma-copyright. Anyway, mamaya kukuha na natin sila ng mga picture para meron naman silang remembrance. Maybe I can share with them, but I'm pretty sure they have a photographer na magkukuha ng video and picture. But anyway, kung mag-asla ko, hindi, it doesn't matter, but I have my own copy the whole party. So at saka para mai-vlog ko, this is our life, this is our everyday life na kahit weekend pag may gig kami, we have no choice but to work. But you know what, it's a big help for us. At the same time, kumikita naman kami, hindi naman ito free, so it's good na may extra income kami kahit na kahit na hindi naman kalakihan, at nag-enjoy pa kami, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Ito yung isa mga pinagdadaanan namin. We have to make sure occupied yung brain namin, na hindi yung puro loneliness na lang nafe-feel namin. But it's a lot of work because it's supposedly weekend is our day. We can go somewhere, but it's okay kasi yun naman ang maganda rin naming magagawa, na at the same time we mingle, we force ourselves na mag-activities, mag-keep going para, kasi sometimes may mga weekend din kami na we're not in the mood, syempre, sometimes depende kung saan kami pupunta. Minsan, most of the time, like I said, yung wala kaming drive to do something sa buhay, but at least ito, whether you like it or not, rain or shine, the party must go on. So mapipilitan ang sarili naming gumalaw, like I said. So, okay na rin. Pwede na rin ito. At the same time, like I said, ang buhay Amerika is all about money. Kailangan mong maging useful ang buhay mo dito. Time is gold at parang lahat kailangan kumita ka, hindi lahat hindi walang libre dito kasi we're paying taxes, so we have no choice but to keep going and work and provide for our bills. So that's America.